Welcome traders, this is Patrick from Trading123. In this video we're going to talk about today's trades here in crude oil. So here we're looking at crude oil pre-market. It's just after 9 o'clock and usually you get a nice move in crude oil. So we started the auto trader as it was in an uptrend, caught a little downtrend, hit its first two profit targets. Trail stop took us out. Then back up we go, hit its first target, trail stop took us out, and then the pattern repeat, got some profit targets, and then back up, and market was really not breaking out, or we're in this 10 to 15 tick range. So we elected to just take our gains on the trade and wait for the open to see what happens. So it made 12 trades, couple stops, 83% winners, and $466 profit minus commission. So a good way to start the day. So we waited for the market to open, and then we took a break and made some other trades in the NQ. NQ was really flying. So we come back to crude oil here after 10:30. And it was at the high. Again, we started the auto trader, and as it was peaking at a high, caught the trend change down, and we got stopped out. We hit our first profit target, got stopped out on this little bounce play, and we continued lower, and then the auto trader caught the reversal. Now this is a Friday, so we're not going for no huge home runs. We're going for trading 3 contracts, $500 goal, and we got 473 minus commission, and we'll take it. And the ES here has really been moving nice lately. So we like to sit out the first half hour. This trade we played around the 10:30 time frame. Basically it was peaking at a high. Same pattern repeats. We start the auto trader, trend change, took a while, it sells off, and we're not going for any super home runs. Again, a $500 goal on 3 contracts, and we hit it. 100% wins, 475 profit after commission. So then we had one more crude oil trade on this day, and let's look at that. Well, first we'll look at the NQ trade. As I said, the NQ was moving pretty nicely. Here we started at 1043. That's when the market usually get some nice moves, going from 10:30 to 11, and then 11 to 11:50 in the power hour. So we start the auto trader, it's an uptrend, we wait for a trend change, it sells off rather quickly. This whole trade lasted about 4 minutes, and we're done. We hit our profit goal. Again, not going for no home runs. $800, $900, $1,000, $2,000 profit. As it's Friday, the ranges are usually a little tighter, and 500 works for me. So let's look at our last trade on crude oil here for the day. Well, our next trade was on NQ. Sorry, I got that mixed up. As I said, the market was going pretty fast. This whole chart's not fitting in, but the whole trade does. So basically we're trading again 3 contracts, stop of 22, goal of 800, loss of 440. So if I'm going up for a higher loss goal, you got to raise your loss limit. So half of 800 is 400, so 440 works. So we start the auto trader here while it's in an uptrend just after 11. As I say, 11 o'clock is a power hour when the market really gets moving. And this whole trade lasted 5 minutes. We get a leg down, we hit 2 profit targets. Our trail stop takes us out right here. Then we catch a reversal, 3 contracts. First profit target here, and then the market moves up. As you see, our trail stop kicks in right over here, and it keeps us in the trade, and we move up, and it hits our profit target. Going into the power hour, we like to raise our profit goal, and we could even probably had it at 1,000, because after it hit this target, it sold off, as you see. So that's the power hour for you. Now remember, power hour is not guaranteed, as nothing in trading is guaranteed. So if I say trade the power hour, it happens to be a slow day, well, like I said, there's no guarantees in trading that the market's going to rip at 11. But there was a lot of news moving the market on Friday, and the Fed talked, so that's why the market was ripping. So it pays to know the news of the day, and I simply just watch CNBC. I have the TV on in the background, and I hear everything, and I look at the charts, and I do my trading. So simple as that. I guess if you can't listen to the TV and concentrate on trading at the same time, maybe you should go back to your day job, because that makes no sense. In trading, you have to be able to, say, multitask. Listen to the news. It's like listening to the news while you're eating dinner and your wife is talking. So you got to multitask, or your husband's talking. So, what is more important? So if CNBC says something, oh, the Fed's coming up, and then the market just starts to tank, well, you know the reason why. You're not going to say, oh, this looks like a bottom, maybe I should get long here. Well, the Fed's talking, market's going to sink until he's done, or go up until he's done. So you got to pay attention to the news. That's Trading 101. I've been trading over 22 years now, and the first thing you learn is what's the news on the day, whether you're trading stocks or futures. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Patrick from Trading123. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more trading tips, and we'll see you in the next video. And be sure to follow us on social media, Facebook and Twitter. See our trades each day. Till next time, good luck with your trading.